to share with you this big chunky journal that I've made. This is a nature themed journal, and it's got 4 signatures. It measures 8 1/4 by 5 1/2, has a 2.5 inch spine. There are 272 pages front and back. I have got these tabs on here. There is some bead dangles. I made some of these little paperclip bead dangles I've seen from Paula. Oh, sorry, I can't remember her second name. Is it Federal or something like that? I'm so sorry. Can't remember your surname. I think it's because I don't know how to pronounce it. But Paula had made these. I've seen other people make them as well, but Paula was the first person that I saw. So I actually made them ages ago, and then they were just plain. I just added some bling and some little charms to them. Made that bead dangle. This was actually attached to something that was gifted to me, and I thought it was really pretty, and obviously the butterfly is apt with the nature theme. The cover is covered in this lovely like upholstery type fabric, and sorry about all the little bits of fluff that stuck to it, that Andrea ARTYmaze gifted to me, so I've used some of that and it feels so nice. I have repurposed a box of some sort, and if you've watched my videos, you know I use the box. I cover it in cardstock, and then I cover it with whatever I'm covering it with, whether it's paper or fabric. I've used baker's twine because I ran out of wax linen thread, and it should be with me tomorrow. And I had some left, but it wasn't going to be enough to actually fit in the 4 signatures. Excuse me. The kit that I've used for this is, well, I've used quite a few things. I have used the Botanical kit from Vectoria Designs, and I will link that below. And I have used things from ARTYmaze as well, and I've used things that were just in my stash in general. So as you can see, it is really chunky. It is not super filled with like loads of pockets and stuff, but there is a lot of like interest throughout the journal. So I'll start doing a flip through of this. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. All my prints are printed out on a laser printer. So we've got a Rita Donnelly flip here. I've got a ticket and a double layered butterfly. I've got this is from Dreams Etc. It's been sewn onto tea or coffee dyed paper. All the papers are either tea or coffee dyed. This is from ARTYmaze, and I think it was actually from like some hang tags or something like that. So I've just actually put them onto tags rather than the hang tags. We've got some dictionary page. This is from Tsunami Rose. There's some it's a house plant book, so I've used that in there. We've got lots of foliage going on. The old design shop. Here I've just made just an altered Edith Holden. I haven't put anything in it because the journal is so thick as it is, and I want to be able to leave room for whoever gets it to actually fill it themselves. The little die cuts are from Tim Holt's, I think it's the Botanicals, and I've just ordered some more of them because all the kind of nice ones that I like I've used. I've got a bit of a half page here, same fabric on the cover I've used for the tabs, and then obviously the bead dangle. We have a paper bag, a piece of flower book page, coffee dyed paper. There's more book page. Isn't that pretty? This is from the old design shop. So there is tons and tons of writing space in this. Like I said, it's, you know, nature themed, so it's got flowers and butterflies, birds. I think I've got bees in here as well somewhere, the other side of the paper bag. That's a flip out. These little labels are from ARTYmaze, and she's got them in different colours. I think there's green, red, brown, and I've used the brown obviously, so that flips like that. But this is just paper clipped on, and it's been sewn onto some cardstock and inked up with a tab. Got a flip up here, flip down. This was a die cut that was gifted to me ages and ages ago. It's just like a little pocket, so I've just added that there, so it'd be nice to tuck something in there. Got the double butterfly and a doily and a tag here, a banner, sorry. And that's all been sewn onto teal coffee dyed paper. That's the first signature. Second signature, we have an envelope pocket here, so it's open behind, so you can tuck things in behind there. And then we've just got the pockets here with this little piece of ephemera. Try and get through this pretty quick. Another one of these Edith Holden pockets. You could actually glue that down like this side and that side and just make it a permanent tuck. If not, you can just use it as a floating pocket. Another, well, that's the other bead dangle thing, and obviously they've just been attached with the bulb pins. Paper bag, another flower book page. Isn't that pretty? The Old Design Shop. This is specimens of handwriting, which I thought was really neat. Every time I go on there and have a look, I always find something different. So if you haven't gone over to, she has got an Etsy as well. That's the other side of the paper bag, which that's been sewn. I've had that done ages, and it's like with a brown thread. So you've got a pocket there. Another journal card, which has just been attached with a paper clip. That's got the bees. Another tab with the bead dangle. Another flip with one of these little labels, again from ARTYmaze. Stamping Up tab. Another pocket here with butterfly tag, and this. They are from ARTYmaze and they're a freebie. This is from My Porch Prints. So I've used quite a lot of stuff from a lot of different people in here. Some of it's free, some of it is not. Another Rita Donnelly flip there, that's the second signature, third signature. And that flips up. Another tag, again a freebie from ARTYmaze, another one of these. This is an idea from Clemmy as well, the flip ups. And you just tuck it in behind. Dictionary page, houseplant page, another Edith Holden pocket. Again, you can keep it as a floating pocket or permanently stick it down. There is 4 of them. There's one in each signature. The paper bag. Again, this is from the Old Design Shop. And what's that? It's Rennie's Pain-Killing Magic Oil. Sounds interesting. Paper bag. Another flip with the label. Another journal card. Just paper clipped on. Houseplant book. Book page. This I had done already. It's just in my stash. And journal card, that's from Dreams Etc. This is from Tsunami Rose, and this flips out and opens up for hidden journaling. That's an idea from Terri Woods, and Terri is linked below, so is Clemmy, so is Rita Donnelly. I've also got Tsunami Rose linked permanently because everything I use, it's got ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose, and they are my go-to all the time. So we've got another one of these pockets. Again, that's Terri Woods' idea. And that just flips in. We've got that little journal card there, which just pops in there. Another one of these, the idea again from Clemmy. And that just pops in there. I think there's probably more butterfly things in here than anything else. As you know, butterflies is my thing. Another Edith Holden pocket, another tab, paper bag. I'm just checking the time, make sure I'm not going over my 15 minutes. Again, the old design shop, centre of the signature. I love these old like vintage printables because unfortunately I never find anything like that, or if I do see things, it's on eBay and it's extortionate. What was that in there? Oh, that was a little a little note from someone that had actually slipped in there. Glad I found that. Journal card, another tab with this bead dangle, the little key, and flip page with the label, and a Rita Donnelly flip up with the tag. Again, that's from ARTYmaze and that's a freebie. Very generous with her freebies is Andrea. She always got something to give us all to play with. So that is the journal. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop. I will list everyone below. Well, ARTYmaze and Tsunami rolls are listed anyway, but I will link who is it? Vectoria Designs. I couldn't remember, so wasn't sure whether to add a closure to this or not, because I do like journals, because I think it would be quite nice if it was just sat like that, and then if you fill it all, you've got things coming out of it and sticking out here, and you know, once you add your own touches to it, just thought it'd be nice for it to be displayed like that rather than closed and shoved in a shelf, if you know what I mean, because I've got some of mine in my house and they're like on display. So anyway, thanks for watching. Any questions, just ask and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.